Hello children, welcome to our English class. Children, after knowing the magic sound of vowel A, we will learn today two sounds coming together to make different words. So are you ready to learn that? Yes, let's do some magic with the magic A. A says A. A says yes. So now it's time to make a word and a sensible sound. Look at this A and D together. When A is joined together with letter D, D is a consonant and a vowel and a consonant are joined together. They make a new word. What is that? Add. As in b, add, bad. Now children, we already know how to read word add as add. So now when we will add B consonant to word AD, it becomes bad. So remember and also try to read like this. B, add, bad, bad. Remember the sound of the word AD, which says add. B, add, bad. This you will learn with regular practice. This you will learn with regular practice. So let's continue. B, add, bad. Coming to the next word. H, add, had. H, add, had. Had. The next one is L, add, lad. L, add, lad. Lad is a boy. Lad means a boy. Coming to the next word. M, M-A-D. M, add, mad. Mad means crazy. M, add, mad. The last word is P, add, pad. P, add, pad. Similarly, let's look at different words with magic A. A and G. A says A and G says children G. G. When A and G are joined together, they make a word ack. Ack. They make a word ack. Yes. Let's look at words with ag. B and G. Bag. Bag. B-A-G together says B-A-G. Bag. Bag. Bag you all carry to school? Yes. F. F says F. A and G says ag. F, ag, fag. Coming to the third word. T says T. T, ag, tag. Tag is a piece of paper which has written the description or a price. Price tag. T, ag, tag. L, ag, lag. L-A-G says lag. Looking at the next word, R, R-A-G, which says ag, rag. Rag. Ag, rag. Now we have learned add words, ag words. Now it's time to read A and M words, which says A says A and M says N or M. Am. Am. The word is am, just like jam, Pam, Sam, and so on. So children, let's read the words now. The first word is D-A-M. D says D. D says D. A and M together says am. D, am, dam. D, am, dam. D, am, dam. Let's look at the next word. S-A-M, which says S. Sam. Sam. Am, Sam. The next one is yummy, yummy. J says J, am says am. Am, jam. Yummy, yummy, jam. Then comes P-A-M, P. P says P, am, Pam. Pam. R-A-M is ram. Ram. Am, ram. Am, ram. Let's look at A-N words. A-N says an. An. A-N says an. As and can. Can be a fruit can, a juice can, isn't it? A cola can, any can. C-A-N says can. And can. F-A-N says fan. And fan. And fan. F says F-A-N, an. Fan. Fan. Can. Fan. M-A-N, man. Wow, so magic. A has a lot of magic. Yes, children. Man. Man. The next is B-A-N. B says ban. Ban means stop, not allowed. And ban. R-A-N. R-A-N is the next word, which means ran. R-A-N, ran. R says ran. Ran. Let's look at AP words. AP word says apple, cap. C-A-P, cap. Apple, cap, which we wear on our head. L-A-P, lap. Lap. Godi. Lap. Then comes M-A-P, map. Map means naksha. किसी भी जगह का or any place or a country or a city's map is called. M-A-P says map. Map. Map means naksha. The outlining of any city or a place or a country is called map. Then comes nap. Nap. Nap means sleep, a short sleep. Apple, nap. N-A-P, nap. Let us all look at 80 words, which says at. At words just like B-A-T, at bat. C-A-T, at cat. At cat. The next one is F-A-T. F-A-T says, F says at, fat. Fat means mota. Then comes H-A-T. At hat. The last one is M-A-T, which says mat. Let's look at these pictures and try to read these words. The first picture is of a jam. Let's go to the next picture. D-A-M, which says dam. And the last word, would you like to try, children? P. P says pan, in which mama cooks food. Pan. Very good, children. In today's class, we have learned about magic A and its sound with various consonants to form different words like add words, ag words, at words, am words, and words. Keep on revising these words, children, and this way you will become proficient in reading the word. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.